from first contact through delivery of our product was really a couple years. And there was really great experiences along the way. We had several trips down to Beckwood. Beckwood's team was extremely welcoming when we showed up. A great memory from this is when we actually were in the Chicagoland area doing the sample run on another Beckwood press, a different customer of theirs, and our sales engineer was looking to show us a certain feature, and theirs wasn't turned on. So what he did in a relatively nice clothes, rolls up his sleeves, pulls a plate off the floor, lays on his belly, reaches into this thing, gets himself all dirty, just so that he could show that feature to us and really demo the product in its fullness. And that was a great experience. It really spoke a lot into their team and the extent at which they would go.